What happens if you drink coconut water for 7 days on an empty stomach? The natural refreshing coconut water is easily available water which is becoming more and more popular around the world, used by a great number of people. Maybe you will not like its taste, but when it comes to your health, the health benefits of this water are unquestionable. Keep reading and find out more about this super healthy water. Benefits of coconut water. Coconut water is significantly beneficial for your overall health. It will boost your immunity, help you with weight loss, improve your energy levels, and protect you from microbes and numerous diseases. A glass of coconut water in the morning balances electrolytes, and we all know that an electrolyte imbalance can be the cause of hypertension. It is a natural diuretic and it is very beneficial for treating kidney disorders. Coconut water invigorates the generation of thyroid hormones. It is beneficial for the urinary tract and bladder channels, cleaning and protecting them from infections. Moreover, it eliminates the toxins from the body and protecting you from issues related to kidney stones. Coconut water is abundant with fiber, and its regular consumption can alleviate issues caused by stomach acid. It destroys the microbes that cause urinary tract infections, gum disease, gonorrhea, and infections that cause a flu, infectious illnesses, and typhoid. Drinking coconut water can be significantly beneficial for people who suffer from chronic fatigue. It is recommended to take 40-50 ml every day. 1 glass of coconut water in the morning will moisturize your skin, keeping it shiny through the rest of the day. It can help you purify your body. When mixed with olive oil, coconut water can evacuate intestinal parasites. This super healthy water contains almost no fat, so you can consume it as much as you want. It will make you feel full, thus keeping the good shape of your body. If you have skin problems, including acne issues, dry or oily skin, coconut water is the perfect solution for you. All you have to do is to soak a cotton ball in coconut water, and apply it to your skin. According to many doctors, coconut water can help to solve some well-being issues in the middle of a pregnancy. Coconut water can also eliminate a headache. So, the next time you have a headache or hangover after a party, make sure to use this amazing water.